Hi guys, welcome to a tutorial on importing your hotkeys from either Voobly, HD, or WololoKingdoms, AoC, whatever you have, to Definitive Edition. So first let's find the hotkeys. For AoC, it's in this location, which is your Steam location. Most people probably have it in C program files Steam, but you just need to locate your Steam location, steamapps, Age2HD. I'm assuming here that you have a patched version of HD. If you have a different location, you have to find the hotkeys yourself. One way to do that I will explain later on at the end of the video, but for now I'm just gonna assume people have this because 99% of people have that. So for AoC hotkeys, they are located in the main folder. So here you see player1.hky. It could be called player 0 or player 2. If you need to figure out which one is the correct one, you go into your game, you change the hotkeys, you go back to the menu, change the hotkeys again, back to the original state, and then you look at date modified. Whichever is the last one is the correct one. Because that's the last one which is changed. Kinda makes sense. Then for your HD hotkeys, they're located right here in profiles. Player 0, player 1, it could have all kind of names. I screwed around a bit too much here, sorry about that. Again, same story, just change it and look at which one is the last changed. That one should be the right one. For WololoKingdoms, it's a bit different. You need to go into Voobly mods if you have the patched version. Then you go AoC, data mods, WololoKingdoms, and then it's right there, player 1.hky. So for all of these hotkeys, you have the same method of approaching this. You go to this site, I will link it in the description again, and then you open this file, hitting that button right there. So let's go there, open it, then we click edit file, and voila, here we have the hotkeys that you want to get to Definitive Edition. So here on the top left we can change it to whatever we want. This is for Definitive Edition. If you want to change it to other hotkeys, you can do it. Just change it to a different one. So here we go, Definitive Edition. Obviously a lot of buttons will be unassigned here because Definitive Edition has a lot more hotkeys, but we can just generate this and we get a new file. All the unassigned ones you just have to change anyway. There's no way of importing those, obviously. Now, we need to change this to whatever name you want. Can, for example, call it this. And then we go and copy this to the location of hotkeys for Definitive Edition, which is right here. It is your users folder, then your name, whatever that is, games, Age of Empires 2 Definitive Edition, and then there's folders which are called a lot of numbers. Basically, those are your profile folders. I have 2 Steam accounts here because I wanted to test it out. I'm just gonna open this one, and then inside here you have your mods and everything, but you need to go to your profile. That is where all your hotkeys are located. Here you paste this file that you downloaded, and then it's imported into your Definitive Edition. You can check it here, go to options, and then here on the top right you will see the new one. So I can change it to this one, whatever it is, and then you have all your hotkeys here. Confirm, that's it, it's imported into Definitive Edition. So yeah, that's basically it. If you need to locate them somewhere else, can't help you too much with that. If you have a weird location of your hotkeys, what you can do is just go to the location that you have, search for the extension, so H key Y, and then whatever shows up are hotkey files. If you need to figure out which one it is, again, same story, open your game. So for example, I can do it here for WololoKingdoms. Let me start it. And speed this up, unfortunately. This works the same for HD, whatever. You can change the hotkeys. So for example, I change this to something weird. Back. Change it back to whatever it is. Never use this button anyway, so I don't care. Okay, so then you can leave this, and then in here, where you search for the extension, so wherever your Age of Empires is installed, whatever version it is, it doesn't matter at this point. And then you go to View, to Details, and then the top one here is the right one. It's researching everything, but whatever shows up on top should be the right one. You see here it is last modified minutes ago. So this would be the one that I want to change then, for example.